Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to go over all of the washi tape related goodies that I have. This includes subscription boxes like Simply Gilded and overlay tape subscription by Rose-Colored Daze, as well as some other goodies from Simply Gilded that I gathered in the last month. So stay tuned, and if you have any questions, please leave a comment down below and I'll make sure to check it out and get back to you. Otherwise, you can contact me on Instagram. It's Sammie_plans, and I hope to see you there as well. Stay tuned. So the first thing I want to show is the Rose-Colored Daze overlay washi subscription, and it always comes with two cards, one about the month, one with the month of the subscription, as well as a little icon or a little design from that kit, from that subscription theme. And the other one is a deco dashboard sort of thing, and this is absolutely cute, and it's with light gold, which I love, and I think this is such a cute theme as well. And the theme was April showers bring May flowers. I think that's the theme. So you have these nice little icons with weather. So you have rain, you have clouds, you have sunshines, and you also have these ones here as well. So you have your umbrellas, your boots on the rain, some flowers, watering plants, and this is on clear sticker paper. And you always get a selection of overlay tapes. So you have two full boxes overlays, one bottom washi overlay, one 10mm overlay, and two headers. So let me roll these out for you guys and we'll get this party going, because this is, I have to say, one of my favorite subscriptions so far. I love the autumn one that she did last year, and this one is also absolutely beautiful. So let me roll this out for you. Okay, so I rolled out all of the overlay washi tapes, and as I was saying, you get two rows of full boxes. So the first roll is this one with 4 different designs. So you have the little umbrella with the rain, the sunshine and the plants, the boots and the rain clouds, and April showers bring May flowers, which is absolutely adorable. The second full box is a combination of 2 colors. So you have this beautiful matte kind of blue, very light blue, and you have this purplish color in double borders configuration. Then you have the headers. So the headers, they are the same blue in little raindrops and the clouds in gold. You have the rain here on the 10mm washi in the raindrops, and you have the flowers on the washi strip size. So these are perforated, as you can see the perforation right here. So they are perfect size for the Erin Condren washi size, the bottom washi. So you have that. And the good thing about this header, this subscription, this time on the headers, you can make a little montage. You can overlay one tape with the other, so you have the clouds and you have the raindrops, and you make a little scene of, you know, rain, which is absolutely genius. I absolutely love it. So this is my subscription from Rose-Colored Daze, and I really love the subscription this time. First of all, because it's gold and it does have a little pop, but it's really cute, and I cannot wait to use this on my planner. So next order is from Simply Gilded. The first order I made, I received this cute little bow seal in green and gold foil, and a nice little card with That's the cat going around. Sorry guys. I'm not even going to edit this out because she's part of the deco. So we have this card with love in all of this, I don't know what kind of prism kind of foil. And it's the happy male owl in burgundy and pink foil as well as gold foil. This is to match the rest of my collection. And then I have this Easter basket. I managed to grab one, and look at the cute note that they sent. So excited you got a basket, Samantha. Isn't that cute? That's adorable. So my basket came with I have these 5mm in the pink, purple and bluish tone with rose gold with gold foil. The vertical bows in silver. A 10mm of this stardust washi, and this cute bunny washi. Absolutely adorable in dark blue. Really cute. And this is the Easter washi. This reminds me of another one that she made, but this also reminds me of watermelon for some reason. And it's in gold foil, and it's really, really pretty. It's really nice. I also got this cute little enamel pin as a freebie. One of these checkered or plaid bow in gold foil. And this journaling card in pink and gold foil, as well as some bunny seals, which is so cute, and in silver foil. So that is my Easter basket. I'm not gonna roll these because I already have these guys, so I'm not gonna roll them. But I'm really, really happy with my Easter bag this year. I mean, once you start collecting Simply Gilded, it's really hard, when you have a reasonable collection, it's really hard not to have doubles, because if you buy a grab bag or an Easter bag, because you will end up with doubles. But that's okay, there's always this stash and always someone that's new and will enjoy the doubles that you got. So that's my Easter basket, and I'm gonna show you the beautiful Painted Garden sub box next. So this is the theme of the March subscription box. It's Painted Garden with this beautiful pattern and gold foil. And this is the back. It says, "This is your season to bloom." You have on this foil journaling card, designer washi tapes, deluxe sticker kit and seals, a B6 traveler's notebook, a B6 stitched binding notebook, engraved black gel ink pen, rounded tassel pouch, sakura jelly roll, a foiled acetate and vellum, and the mystery item. So let's start with the mystery item, because why not? Mystery item this time was washi cards, and this is a rainbow ombre one. This is a beautiful peacock. Another beautiful peacock. Don't know if the marble background is helping. Yeah, that's not gonna work. You have this beautiful heart with the birds, and you have the bright pink butterflies. So I think this is really nice. They are foiled and they are very cute as washi cards. So I'm happy with that mystery item. They are functional and you actually know what they are for. That's one of the items. The next one is the sticker book, the B6 notebook. So you have this artwork on the front, and the back is green with "Let your ideas take flight." Next I'm going to show you the vellum and the acetate. So for the vellum you have this beautiful, beautiful design. This reminds me of a painting or a wallpaper. I think it's a wallpaper on Buckingham Palace. I saw an article that they were refurbishing or, you know, restoring that room, and there's a vase or there's something on that room with this sort of pattern. It's not the same thing, it's not the same colors, but it really reminds me of that little thing that I read. And this is the acetate with this sort of temples inspired motif. This is the journaling card. All the flowers of the tomorrows are in the seeds of today, and that is so gorgeous. Then you have the sticker book. The sticker. I don't know why I'm saying sticker book. I have sticker books on my head. Then you have the sticker kit and extras, which is a very nice. Not my style, but very nice. So the first thing you have is this clear scripts, home, work, and play, and they're dainty, they're small. I love it. You have the heart basic heart icons, painted green, painted garden. Sorry, it's the box theme, so they're really cute. And if you open it up like that, there you go, the little heart shape. And the bow seals, which is very bright, and the kit. So the kit comes with your full boxes, your washi strips, your labels or headers, flags, more full boxes at the bottom. The second page is three more full boxes, two of them being functional. Again, labels, some scripts, checklists, circle icons, and your date covers. And then you have this little sticker sheet with another full box, quarter boxes, checklists, and deco. And this deco has scripts. It says art, food, family, and love, and they are in heart shaped. So that's the sticker kit. I'm really excited about this one. And let's go for the pouch. But before we go for the pouch, I'm going to take the washi out so I can show you everything that's in the pouch. So this is the pouch. It's a beautiful, beautiful pattern or motif. And you have this little tassel on at the end, gold hardware, and the inside is in sort of gold as well. My in-law is gonna love this one. The pen this time is this gorgeous green pen with the bows and the hearts, as well as the bow here on the top of the cap. There you go. And it's a beautiful pen, very bright. And you also get a jelly roll in metallic. Finally, one of the things that Irene did differently, and I'm very grateful for it, it's a B6. So this is a B6 size TN. It's in cream with gold stitching. Now, with gold, not stitching, with gold elastic. Now, this elastic is the one that goes in here and you wrap around your TN. This was a problem because this stained the leather on a lot of the planners, and I'm not sure you'll be able to see, but you see here the dent on the leather. It's not really a dent. This is a stain in yellow. As you can see here, it's very stained. But That being said, I don't mind because I'll just change this ugly ass elastic. Sorry, I cursed. Anyway, it has a secretarial pocket here, 2 pockets and a bigger pocket here on the side. It's very sturdy. It's very well made. No complaints about it. You have also the embossing here on the spine, but this elastic just killed it. It really did. So I'm gonna change for a pink one. We'll see how that goes. And again, I know that we're paying for the subscription, but this probably costs a lot to make. I'm not gonna say that it covers the cost of the whole box, because it doesn't, otherwise you wouldn't do it, but it probably costs a lot. So yeah, I'm grateful for anything that I get. I mean, anyway, I'm not gonna say anything. Washi, let's talk washi. So the washi this time, so you have these beautiful washi here. So you have the pink with the purple, not purple, oranges and the gold foil. You have the garden or flowers kind of motif or design. You have the green 10mm bows, and you have the peacock with a tiny little bows throughout. And you have a perforated gold simple line bow, and as well as the heart and stars perforated. I subscribe to the add-on, and on the add-on you get 4 5mm washi rolls, and you have this heart, inverted foil heart, you have the 5mm bow, the hearts and vine, as well as the stars. So they're really, really nice. I love the combination. It's not something I would choose for myself, but in the end it looks really nice. And that is my order. That's my subscription box from Simply Gilded. I'm not gonna roll this out. I'm really tired today. I'm taking care of 2 foster kittens, and I've been waking up every 3 hours at night to give them food, to bottle feed them. So I'm really tired. So I just want to finish this haul. Sorry, guys. That being said, thank you so much for joining me. I hope you had a fantastic day. I hope you're staying safe, staying at home, washing your hands, staying sane in this quarantine life of ours, and that you are able to enjoy yourself, even if a little bit, while watching this haul of mine. I should be back on Wednesday next with another plan with me, and this time it's going to be an Erin Condren plan with me. I am very excited, but I'm also scared that I mess it up. So let me know if you watch it and what you think about it. I would really appreciate if you did. I want to give a big shout out to my currently, as of 18th of April 2020, a big shout out to my 95 subscribers. I know it's not much for, you know, big YouTuber standards, even planner standards, planner community standards, but I'm really happy that you are all here and that you enjoy my content. Thank you so much for watching. It means that I'm not doing anything wrong, which is a win for me. And stay tuned for 100 subscribers giveaway. We're really, really close. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Have a lovely day. Bye.